Well, Apple will probably don't like this video. Here we go and welcome to the Idea of Technology. My name is Michael and today it's the very first episode of my new series called In My Humble Opinion, and let's go.
Apple Watch Series 4 is more than an evolution.
I'd like to introduce the next generation of Apple Watch. Everything about it has been redesigned and re-engineered. Stunning new display with 30% larger. The digital crown's been completely re-engineered, and the back of Series 4. S4 custom designed electrical heart sensor digital crown, battery life. Up to 2 times faster performance, a louder speaker, fall detection, industry first built-in electrical heart sensor, Watch OS 5. You probably have no idea what any of that means, but that's okay.
Yeah, we get it. Everybody's talking about the Apple Watch 4 and you will probably get a bunch of probably really good reviews from your favorite tech YouTubers all over YouTube, but my approach is just a little bit different. And please don't get me wrong, if you don't own an Apple Watch or don't have a smartwatch and just looking for a smartwatch, you just totally go for the Apple Watch 4 because it's simply the best Apple Watch or the best smartwatch on the market at the moment. Just go for it, really. This video is for everyone like me owning the Apple Watch 3 and considering to buy the latest version, the Apple Watch 4, and I just want to give you 3 quick reasons not to upgrade from the Apple Watch 3 to the Apple Watch 4 just in a few minutes. Reason number 1, the Apple Watch 3 already has all the necessary killer features of a modern smartwatch. Yeah, the new Apple Watch 4 has a few cool features and hardware improvement like bigger screen, better battery, better CPU, and also some capabilities of track your heart even more better or more complete. But at the end, the crucial features already existed in the Apple Watch 3 like LTE support, speakers and microphone, and also really important waterproofness. Is waterproofness a word? Waterproofness? I don't know. It's waterproof. And I think, yeah, there are really cool improvements on the hardware side, cool tweaks and turning something around and make something better or just bigger. But at the end, it comes down to these features and they already exist in the Apple Watch 3. Reason number 2. So the second reason is also really simple. The Apple Watch 3 will remain totally and fully supported by Apple. That means, and you will probably already have the upgrade to the Watch OS 5. So now you have features like automated workout stops or workout types like yoga or hiking. And even you got the really cool walkie-talkie feature, so you can just instantly push a button and just walkie-talk with some other Apple Watch user out there. And I think you already just get all the features on your Apple Watch 3 just with the Watch OS 5 upgrade. And in my personal opinion, also the Watch OS 6 will be supported on the Apple Watch 3. I'm pretty sure that will be the case. The last and also really important reason not to upgrade from your Apple Watch 3 to the Apple Watch 4 is simply sustainability and being urged always to have the latest version of something. Apple makes it now pretty easy, and I think easier than ever, to just trade in your old device and get a new one. I think it's called Apple Give Back, so you just can send in your old device and with a little uplift you can just order a new one. For example, if I look on my wrist, I have an Apple Watch 3 42mm with LTE support, and I just would get around about 200 euros for this watch, and I would get some sort of voucher, I would guess, and with this voucher I can just trade in for a new Apple Watch 4 with the same specs, and my uplift would just round about 350 euros. So it's not that big uplift for a really new watch, but if you're considering 350 euro just for using this watch around 1 year, you just need to make the calculation for yourself. But to be honest, when I'm just looking down my wrist, I see a perfectly functioning watch. I have this watch just around about 10 months, so it's absolutely not a long time for a watch in my opinion. And I get the latest updates and I see no problem or no reason just to upgrade the watch for the purpose of have the newest one. But maybe I'm just the only person on this planet, but I have also some sort of my Apple iPad Air is just 5 years old and it still gets iOS 12 update, and I think that's totally fine. So I just can go for the products I already have. The hardware is totally functioning. Yeah, the updates make something slower or something's a little bit different, but at the end when it's working, I think, and the performance is just pretty awesome on the Apple Watch 3. So just why not leave it there and just go for the next software updates, and let's see how far we can get with it. And I must be honest, just tip on your own nose and think about or ask yourself the question, do you really need the new Apple Watch 4 when you already have the Apple Watch 3? And think about the all sustainability reason and the whole process behind it. Just leave a footprint where necessary, and when you can avoid it, just avoid it maybe. That could be also a really good idea for the environment. So these were my 3 reasons why I'm not upgrading from the Apple Watch 3 to the Apple Watch 4, and I hope that you just get some sort of inspired to do the same for some sort of these reasons, and I'm curious what you think about that. So this was just my humble opinion, don't blame me for that. I just want to share it with you on this platform, and if your opinion is somehow different, just leave a comment down below and we can just start some sort of discussion. That would be really cool. And if you dislike this video, you also just know what to do, and if you liked it, just hit like, get subscribed and enable the notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future video. And we'll see you soon to the next episode of My Humble Opinion. Bye.